Hello guys, so it's been a couple of weeks since I last posted my videos. Things are actually going forward though. You see the building behind me? It's a huge office complex, and they also have educational services as well. I was called by the head of communication at this site, and he actually has seen my images. He asked me if I was interested in having an exhibition at this place, so that's what I'm working with right now. So let's take a closer look at some of the images which I'm going to show in this place. These are the images which I'm going to display. I also have a large print of a super blood moon eclipse. It's 2 meters wide. I also built a website. You can scan a QR code and get some more information regarding all the pictures in the exhibition. So this is just one of the things I'm going right now. I have also 3 more objects that I am photographing right now. The first one, which I believe I'm satisfied with the collection of the data for that one, it's the Elephant Trunk Nebula. I've also been collecting a bubble nebula image going on for me, and the project which I believe is going to stretch into the end of January or something, depending on the weather, of course, is the Monkey Head Nebula. That is totally new for me. Actually, the bubble nebula is also new to me, so that would be interesting. So that is basically what I have been doing right now. When I'm finished with the website, I might even post a link to it, or it is finished, so I can post a link to it in the comments. I just need to go over some of the technical details and the information. I have some videos coming up. I don't know if it will be in the nearest future, but I have been thinking that when did I start my journey in astronomy, amateur astronomy, and where am I today, and where do I want to be in like 5 years or so. So I might do a video on that one, where I'm like interviewing myself or something. That might be fun for you to watch. My observatory is running flawlessly right now, not a single hiccup. The weather station reports perfectly into the computer the conditions. The roof is working perfectly. The mount haven't skipped a beat. The tracking is superb. This is it for this quick video, and I will be filming some more footage in the upcoming weeks and during the Christmas holidays. So take care out there. I hope you enjoy my videos. So please stay safe, and we'll see you later. Bye.